How to add TD credit or debit card to Apple Wallet. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Let me move into one of the official article, which is going to guide you with a step-by-step process on how you can easily set up Apple Pay on iPhone. Well, this is one of the article which is going to help you out. So the very first thing you want to do is to make sure to log into your specific TD Bank app. Once you have been logged into your account, head over to Settings and scroll all the way down and click on Apple Pay. Now select your specific debit or credit card of TD account and then click on Add to Apple Wallet. After that, you will have to enter your card information. Once you have entered, follow the on-screen instruction to add your eligible TD card. Once you have entered the information, tap on Next and then your debit or credit card will be added to Apple Wallet. After that, you will be able to pay from the Apple Pay. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.